I'm back. I'm back. What's going on out there in the cyber world? It's your highness, the Stoner King. Back, about to whip up a grinder for y'all real quick. Let y'all see this process. I'm gonna make it bright green. Last one I did ain't turn out too right. Get the whipping and whipping and whipping. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Same way y'all smash that plate, go on and smash that subscribe button. Told you I'm trying to get up to 50. Ain't that much. I only need 50 subscribers to go live. That's all I need. Let's see. Last one I made, it ain't come out too good. But see if I can incorporate what I know now that I didn't know the last time and make it come out good this time. Let's get that. Y'all know my saying. Look at the flick of the wrist. Two-part grinder. Like I said, got my bright green. Whipping up this resin. Whip it up, whip it up, whip it up, whip it. Whip it up. Don't forget, I got that contest going on. My 100th subscriber will get a free custom rolling tray. They can let me know what they want on it, the color, and I gonna whip it up for them. So yeah, make sure y'all smashing that subscribe button. Tell all your friends too. Feel free to share any of the content on the channel. Gotta make sure you get this right. Don't want no bubbles in it. Yep. Make sure you hold it away because these things, I should have a mask on for real. Look it. Going in there in my bright green. Ain't that something? I use everything. Nothing unused. Nothing goes unused. Oh, might have put too much in there with that one. Oh yeah. Look at that. Sorry, I ain't got all that advanced technology to be speeding things up, so y'all gotta see the whole process through its entirety. But give me time, like I say, as the videos go on, things will get better and better. Alright. I'm gonna give it a few more stirs. Counterclockwise, clockwise, scrape the sides, back and forth. Look at that. Alright. Remember, no resin unused. Stuff is expensive. Expensive. Woohoo! Alright. Set that right there like that. So, look, make sure when y'all pour it in there, y'all like go slow. And make sure y'all getting the grooves. Hold up, piece of cat hair. Alright. That's another thing. Make sure y'all molds are extremely clean, because y'all don't want nothing in there that ain't supposed to be. Like, I'm noticing now, cat hair all in my mold. Alright. Boom, we good. I'm gonna try to hold up. Make sure y'all get it nice and slow, because y'all want them grooves for the teeth to get filled. Yep, nice and slow. Get all up in there. Then you move it all around. Give it a little, so it can get down in there. Mm-hmm. Now you want to go back at it. Remember, you want to go slow. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Make sure y'all get all up in there. Like so. Ooh. Get up in there. Mm-hmm. Let's go around in a circle to this felt. Yeah, buddy. Mm-hmm. Make sure your table and everything nice and even. You just want to go all the way to the brim. Wow. Mm-hmm. Now, no resin unused. Remember, used all that. Make sure you get up in them grooves. Mm-hmm. Get up in there like so. I said not too fast now. You don't want them air bubbles forming. If you got to, every now and then, take the sides. Just give it a little, pull to the side so all of them get down in there. Like that, like so. What I'm doing now, I'm just pulling to the side, so make sure everything all in the little grooves, getting out all the air bubbles. Bow. Bow. Like so. Give it a little shake. Make sure it's all down in there. Then we're gonna let that sit and dry like so. Boom. Now we got the grinder down. Now I got a little mold that I want to play around with. I'm gonna show y'all. Little weed molds. Let me see how this turn out. Play around with it. See if I can make some little keychains or something out of it. Just use up all the resin. No resin goes unused. Let's fill this up a little bit more. Wow. Scrape the sides like so, because no resin unused. Oh, I don't want that shit getting on my table, mess it up. So keep that like that. So now I can get the rest of this resin up out of here. Fill up this mold. Boom. I'm gonna do a video too showing y'all how I make the shirts. Because this guy bad with me. Stay tuned. That's why y'all need to make sure y'all subscribe. So I got a lot of stuff in store for y'all. A lot of contests. A lot of. So yeah, make sure y'all stay in tune with your boy, Your Highness the Stoner King. You know, make sure y'all high as a horse kit. And voila, just like that. Grinder, weed mold. And as always, until the next time, if you're looking for your boy, look up, because I'm in the clouds.